you have been wondering about the best passive income NFT projects for 2022, this video will find your answers. There's a traditional method of earning via NFTs through staking, royalties, becoming an early investor, and yield farming. As the world continues to grow crazy over the phenomenon of NFTs, developers have consistently aimed at adding value. Today, many projects have started that offer much more than just NFTs, with newer ones adding the chance of earning consistent passive income after you buy NFTs. Some of the projects help you make via tokens and coins. Let's understand passive income NFTs more and find out some of the best NFTs for earning passive income. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Top 7 Passive Income NFT Projects. Number 1. Cyberkongs, the first passive income NFT. Cyberkongs was the first ever NFTs to use the passive income model using coins or tokens. These are avatars featuring randomly generated ape characters. The NFTs, originally 1,000 tokens launched in March 2021, were sold out instantly. The original Genesis Cyberkongs token holders earn 10 banana dollar token daily for the next 10 years. The tokens can help add bio and characteristics, rename NFT, or breed. You could also hold and accumulate the NFTs or tokens. The value of banana dollar token as of May 11th, 2022 is $4.28. The tokens are also essential to grow baby Cyberkongs, the next generation of the NFTs. Number 2. The Sandbox, most trusted and popular NFT brand with passive income opportunity. The Sandbox is a creator-centric game. Being a community-driven platform, users can monetize their gaming experience and voxel assets on the blockchain. There are several ways of earning passive income on the platform, like renting out their land. It includes business, entertainment, and advertising spaces. The users who create games and assets can sell those to earn Stand Dollar, the Ethereum token of the Sandbox game, currently valued at $1.71, May 11th, 2022. You can also stake the tokens to earn passive income while assisting in the game's governance. Number 3. Decentralend, virtual land NFTs with passive income opportunities. Decentralend is a first-of-its-kind virtual world entirely owned and created by its users. The Decentralend virtual reality plots of this metaverse saw vast popularity owing to the $3.5 million value plot. The platform uses monodollar as its native currency. Decentralend is the dream for investors in the metaverse. Naturally, the most significant avenue of Decentralend NFT passive earning is through buying and selling the lands. The land NFTs come in 16M x 16M unique and irreproducible land parcels. The lowest price of a parcel goes around 5,000 mana. Since the number of lands is 90,000, the value will consistently rise. Users can also sell clothes and wearables, which they have designed themselves. The market works precisely like the real-life clothing and wearable market. There is also a play-to-earn model and freelance opportunities in 3D modeling, wearable creation, coding, making videos and art, etc. NFT earning opportunity also arises through virtual hosting with a fixed rate of $200 per month. Number 4. Axi Infinity, the gaming NFT with passive earning potential. Among the most popular play-to-earn battle games is Axi Infinity. This NFT gaming platform offers amongst the freshest and most immersive passive income NFT projects. The gameplay involves Axis, the little creatures, battling out each other. The trading and powering up of the Axis in this ultimate battle experience metaverse game further improves the NFT earning capabilities. Axis are the creatures of this metaverse that the users can breed. Some of the rare Axis have ended up being worth $1 million. AXS is the in-game token that is used for governance as well as gameplay. You can use AXS for staking, earning interest on the tokens staked in the crypto world. AXS is currently at $24.77, May 11th, 2022. Smooth Love Potion is a reward token, an in-game currency that is now earning value outside the game too. Number 5. Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT, passive income NFT project for serious investors. The Bored Ape Yacht Club is one of the NFTs that have gone viral over the last few months. Consider this, the Bored Ape NFT was launched at $200 and currently it is selling at $142,000 on OpenSea. The NFTs are now a status symbol with several celebrities like Eminem, Timbaland, and Naaman J.R. owning them and displaying them as their Twitter DP. Naturally, the interest in NFTs has increased. Like the original 10,000 Bored Apes, the scope of earning passive income through staking has grown immensely. Since the price is ever increasing, selling them is instantly profitable, especially if you bought them early. Also, the NFT royalties through Bored Apes are immense. Number 6. Modbox. Top play-to-earn passive income NFT project 2022. Modbox is a play-to-earn NFT platform that allows several NFT games on the platform. The platform stands out from others because upon minting Momo, the platform token, they are automatically staked. Thus, you earn from staking without having to make a conscious effort. Momo, in turn, helps earn Mbox dollar, which is value outside of the metaverse in the real world. Momos have hash power. Higher the power means higher the value. That, in turn, affects the Mbox dollar value of the Momo. Number 7. NFT, first rental platform in the metaverse with passive NFT income opportunity. NFT is the first rental platform in the metaverse that has opened the floodgates to several of such upcoming platforms. They are, for this reason, among the best NFT projects for passive income. NFT allows NFT holders to list their NFTs for rental, specifying price, duration, and collateral. Users who rent out the NFT can use the NFT in any way they deem fit for the specified period, once they've listed their collateral. This factor makes NFT an excellent platform for passive income through NFTs. NFTs are a growing phenomenon that is, as of now, largely unregulated. While they can get huge boosts, they are also liable to sudden market crashes. Often, their prices go up and down with their base blockchain, Ethereum or Solana being the two most popular ones. While investing in NFTs, you have a significant opportunity of gaining substantial income when you stay current with the news and updates and understand the ideal time to back out. To help you stay current, we have shared 7 passive income NFT projects 2022. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.